Finally, gold yesterday has seen the target which I had told few weeks back and was continuously repeating 1833, 1836. 1836 is still yet to be achieved, and beyond that 1845 and 1850 levels. I hope you all profited, as silver also has seen a good rise. Now, what to expect today? Will it continue with this bullish momentum, or we can expect a drop? And if yes, which position to take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Let's start with the gold first, followed with silver. Now these are the hourly chart. This was the bullish candle. 1834, 33 levels are done. Remember, let me show you first why 1833 is important. These are the monthly charts, and on the monthly candle, look at these three candles. Three times it tried to breach past this zone at 1833, 34 and 36. This zone is very important. I had told you previously also, and once again it got the resistance at the same level. Likewise, here also this candle tried to breach, and if you go to the weekly charts, there will be multiple other candles where you will find gold got the resistance at around this zone, and hence this candle is very important. Now let's come back to the daily charts and hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can clearly see gold is trying to trade in this channel. The bottom of this channel is right now trying to trade at around this zone at 1810, and hence yes, you can take a sell position at 1808, which is also a little resistance level below 1808, possibly below 1808. See, 1810 is a good support, but I'll recommend you to sell at 1808. Below that, you can again expect 1805, 1801, and then 1797, 95 levels, which is again going to be a very good support level. That is one part to it. At the same time, if you look at the hourly charts, you'll find 1815 giving it a resistance, but then I will recommend you to buy at 1818 levels. Beyond that, 1821, the $3 resistance, and beyond that you can again expect 1836 levels. 1833, 36 again is going to be a very good resistance level. So yes, beyond 1818 we can remain long, but let's have a look at further factors. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic was oversold, trying to rise here. MACD has crossed over for a sell entry. This is divergent, this is bearish. It appears it can try to trade with further bearishness. That is what I can see here. But let's have a further detailed look. RSI again sloping downwards here, indicating little weakness there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Similar observation on the 2-hour charts. And on the 2-hour charts, you can see the three candles getting the resistance here at 1815. At the same time, support here at 1810. Now, this zone appears to be a no trade zone, but we have extended it for 1808 and 1818 levels. Do not trade for these $10. It is bullish here on the 2-hour charts. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trying to converge here. Let's see if it crosses over. RSI is also trading with a negative slope. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts. The beauty of 3-hour charts, a rise, retracement, and now trying to break again. Once it trades beyond the zone at 1815, certainly it is going to fly further. That is my expectation. So yes, you can buy at 1815 itself, but then those who want to take a safe trade should enter at 1818, then because the next resistance is nearby at 1821. Beyond that 1824, 25, and then beyond that you can definitely expect 1836 levels. Bullish and stochastic comfortable. The MACD is in green. RSI is also trading near to the highs here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, the possibility, see, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. I will definitely wait for one candle. So if this time a red candle appears, this can take it down further till towards 1800 levels. So wait for the next candle definitely, because right now it is trading with indecision, and any point of time if you see it trading above 1815, 1818, certainly you can consider this as reversal. Beyond 1818, certainly 1821, 25, same levels. And if you look at The directional movement here is bullish too. The stochastic has seen a drop. The MACD is in green. See this? The MACD has taken a sharp cross here and since then trading with bullish momentum. RSI is flat, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see the previous candle was green. It has left a strong wick on the upside. It is trying to trade green. It has formed a tail beyond 1815, 1812, 1815. You can expect another round of good rise taking it till towards. See, this time again, there is a possibility that it can give you further sharper bullish candle, which can take it till towards 1836.45 levels. Also, the support there at 1800 is very strong. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is comfortable, the MACD is in red, trading in red so far, willing to converge crossover. The RSI is trading near to the highs. Considering this, yes, you can buy at 1815 and expect it to rise till 1818, 1821, 24 and then 36, 45, 50. It can go till towards those levels. Today is the second last trading session before some of the markets go on a holiday. So only day after, that is one more day left after today for it to trade, and hence it can try to capture the most of the movement. Hence trade accordingly. Do not trade between 1808, 1815. Beyond 1815, you can expect more bullishness. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver yet again has seen 2430 levels, and this was the previous recent highs which it has seen. Again at the same levels, it has got the same resistance. Now if you look at the hourly charts here, it is consolidating with higher lows. If you ignore this candle, just look at this lower highs. It indicates 2410 again should be a good entry level, beyond which you can again expect see 2415 nearby, then 2420, 2430. Beyond 2430, if you recall the weekly analysis, we had expected it to hit 2450, 2480 levels. There is a possibility that it can continue with the bullish momentum here. At the same time, below 2390, there could be a little drop which might take it till towards 2380, very strong support, and below that further drop. So in between 2390 and 2410, we will not trade silver. It is looking for a breakout on the hourly charts. Let's see which direction it gives. You should take a position accordingly. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is rising now. MACD is bearish, looking forward to converge here, crossover for a buy momentum. RSI flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts, 4 successive red candles. Now looking forward to a reversal. Yes, beyond 2410 certainly we can buy, but then expect 2415, 2420 is still giving it a resistance, 2430 the next, and then 2450, 2480 levels can also be expected. Yes, it is also taking the support from the 20 period moving average near about 2390 levels. It is taken a sell cross on the directional movement. Stochastic is still looking downwards. Interestingly, the MACD has taken a sell crossover. It is a red candle here. I will wait this candle, where this candle takes. If it gives you a bullish candle, if it gives a breakout, certainly it can reverse this crossover. RSI is still trading with a negative slope here, but moderate negative slope. Now look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts, there is another interesting observation. Rise, retracement, rise. See, double top is done on the 3-hour charts. That is my view here. But this double top is still, you can see this, it is still trying to trade in this bullish channel, and hence only you should wait for it to give a breakout. Any breakout below 2390 should be a good entry level, and then below 2380 you can expect that it can resume its downward journey. That is one expectation. A breakout on the buy side, that is about 2410, possibly might take it on the upside also. This is also very much possible. Double top does not mean that it cannot give you higher highs as it is trying to, or it is waiting for a breakout, and hence possibly you need to trade with caution. You need to wait for a breakout here. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a drop and it is looking downwards. The MACD is looking to cross over for a sell. The RSI is flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts. Likewise, similar is the observation here. Now if you look at the 4-hour charts, see here also double top is done. It is again trying to retrace. I will wait for this breakout here. Any breakout below 2390 and then 2380 specifically should be a good sell entry for 2360, 40, and then below that sky is the limit. It can crash further. Directional movement willing to cross over for a buy. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is looking to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the daily chart, now my only wish to see silver on the downside breaking below 2380. That is the only level below which you can confirm that it can break further. Else we can see on the downside it is getting very strong support. On the upside it has got the resistance. It needs to give a breakout, possibly if not today then tomorrow. Possibly we can see this breakout happening. Right now it is getting a very good support on the downside, and hence for the day in between 2390 2410 do not trade silver. Also on the upside till 2430 you need to remain very cautious, as we have seen silver reversing from those levels. Beyond that certainly more bullishness can be expected. Stochastic at the highs, MACD is bearish, RSI near to the top. Considering this, do not trade between 2390 2410 levels. On the upside till 2430 it can reverse any point of time, as it has got very good resistance there, as it is trading in a triangle, narrowing triangle. You should trade with caution till then, and hence you have to shift your stop loss to your entry price whenever you see your trade is in profit there. On the downside, sell at 2390. Expect 2380 as a very good support, and below 2380 only bearishness can be expected. 2360, 2340 levels to be seen. You have to trail your stop losses on the downside till 2340, on the upside till 2430. Above and below, definitely you can expect good momentum. Take your trades accordingly. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch starting 9th of January. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.